Hi guys, look at that dust storm. That's crazy. It's just a wall of dust. It's amazing how that works. And it's coming fast. 10 minutes ago we could barely see it on the horizon. Yes sir. I'm back. I'm southbound trying to outrun that mess. The wind caught me, but the dust hasn't quite yet. I just barely made the turn out of town, and the dust was already starting to engulf the other vehicles as I was taking off. Got lucky today. We'll see how long I can outrun it for, or when it catches up to me coming back north.